What it do, CEEFAM? It's your boy C. When we back at it with another slight video, y'all. So this video, man, should be a really cool video, y'all. It's my first time ever looking at this car, first time ever seeing one in person, right? So this is gonna be a cool little video, man. I just want to show y'all, I guess, like some stuff behind the scenes. You know, as y'all can see, man, we are over here at, what is this, Maximum Auto Search. So make sure you get that in there. We at Maximum Auto Search, man, in Littleton, Colorado. It's close to Denver, right? So drove from Colorado Springs all the way up to Littleton or Denver, right? About an hour away, just so we can see this car, man. I seen it on Car Guru, so I had to, you know, come up and see it. I asked a couple people already, man, should I get the Trackhawk? Should I keep the red eye? You know, a lot of people are saying Trackhawk. I get it, it just looked like a regular Grand Cherokee, y'all, but to me, it's like, I already know the difference between a regular Grand Cherokee, a SRT with one exhaust tip, well, one exhaust tip on each side, and then a Trackhawk with the dual exhaust, man. So Trackhawk is all-wheel drive, right? The last year that they making them is 2021. So yeah, that's pretty exciting, man, for me. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, man. We might take a walk around the lot, but I'm only here for one car, man. So, you know, I already know, since I'm pulling up in this, that they're gonna be talking to me and all that, man. So we're gonna keep it going, we're gonna keep it whatever. So yeah, y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, and yeah, let's. All right, y'all, so as y'all can see, man, we have a 2018 Grand Cherokee. So show them right quick, man. This thing, y'all, is clean. All right, it have 2 owners, man, already. So I'd be the 3rd owner, y'all, if in the event I chose to even get this car, right? So as y'all can see, man, they got the stripes, y'all. So even from the front, you can go in the front of me. So even in the front, y'all, like, it looked like the stripes are uneven. I don't know if y'all can see, but as soon as, like, me and my girl had pulled up, we initially seen, like, it's not even. Like, these stripes on the roof definitely look wider than the stripes that's right here, right? So I mean, I like it. I think it's a good little touch. I like this gray and all that that's right here. And then, like, for the rims too, man, like, it's kind of like a zonk for me. The rims are nice. I have nothing against the rims. Look like Belgian wheels, right? The 6-piston Brembos, but they got this wheel curve, man. Like I said, y'all, this car is what, 2018 with like 53,000 miles, right? I'd be the 3rd owner, man. So that's kind of a good and a bad thing, y'all. Trying to get a used car with a supercharged engine, man, all-wheel drive. You don't know if the first 2 owners took care of the car, right? I don't know if they raced the car. I don't know if they did anything, you know. So that's 50,000 miles, y'all, of damage to the car, everything, right? So I know how I took care of my car, but I don't know about how, you know, they. Yeah, he just started it for me too. It is nice, though. It's loud. Y'all, this thing right here is clean, bro, with the red guts. That's what really caught my eye, man. Like, if it just had the regular black guts, I wouldn't even drove an hour away, but this thing got red guts. Ooh. All right, go sit in the driver's seat right quick. Miles do they have on it? Does it say?
Yeah, 52,000.
All right, so this car has 52,000 miles on it, right? 2018. The average on the car, y'all, I guess that people drive is like 12,000 miles per year, right? So 2018, then you add 4 years to that. 12 times 4, 12, 24, 36, 48. So ideally, y'all, on average, this car should have about 48,000 miles, right? So they drove it a little bit more than the average, man. So I already talked to the dude. I said, hey, look, man, like, y'all trying to come down on the price, and da-da-da-da. He's like, oh, well, you know, the price is a little firm, blah, blah. I said, hey, look, y'all trying to make a deal, I'm trying to make a deal, right? So I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna work and I'm gonna see, but I don't know. We'll see, though. Let me see the camera quick. See that? So that's also something, man, I'm kind of hesitant about, y'all. Like, the buyer's guide as is, no dealer warranty, right? This thing was originally, so it's going out right now, y'all, for 83,000, man. Yeah, I mean, I think it's a decent price, you know. Like, I don't know if I'm gonna try to work them down to about 80 bands. you know, I'm gonna see if I can work them, y'all, to about 80, you heard me? Because if he can let it go for me, man, for about 80, y'all, like I said, you know, they do have the curb rash and all that right here, right? But yeah, the aftermarket Belgian rims, y'all, is definitely something that I like about this car. The red guts, man, the red guts go crazy, y'all. Ooh.
It's dirty.
Do you like it?
No, it's dirty.
Well, no, I mean, yeah, I know it's dirty right now, but say for example, babe, like if I be like, yeah, I definitely want this car, they would clean it. I would make sure they gonna clean this bit, wax this bit. Yeah, I know it's definitely dirty right now, but I mean, yeah, y'all, like I said, it sound good, man. I don't know if the previous owner or two did something to it. It sounded like they had an exhaust system or something on this thing. Hey, babe, can you pop the hood? It should be like down here to the left, like a little latch.
Push to release?
Yeah. Push. Well.
Oh.
There we go. Yeah, so the car is off now, man, since. Y'all, so this right here is the part I kind of really want to see, man. Like the exhaust sound good, right? The whole walk around the car sound good. Well, it look good. The interior, y'all, look crazy, right? So I'm kind of curious as to see like what's under the hood. It don't sound like it's stock. It don't give me the stock look, right? So we're gonna see. Booyah Kasha. So as y'all can see, man, you see that red block. I think it's red orange. I'm colorblind. I ain't got my glasses on, y'all, but as y'all can see, man, we got the 700 however much horsepower it is. So like for the Trackhawks, they change it. For the Ram TRX, they change it. For the Hellcat Red Eye is different, right? So they change all of them. All I'm gonna say is about 707 horsepower, man. Hellcat engine, so you can get it on the engine right quick, man. It's crazy, right? You got the Hellcat on the engine, man. You got the nice light slight pulleys right here. Then they also have an aftermarket intake, man. This look like a JLT intake, so I know this thing right here gonna make the car sound really good, man. That supercharger one, right? So yeah, I don't see anything too crazy, man. I wish they had a oil catch can on here and all that good stuff, right? But yeah, and then they got the SRT up here. So yeah, y'all, man, look, comment down below, y'all. Do y'all think I should get this car, man? Like I said, they want 83,000 for it, with about 52,000 miles, right? I'd be the third owner, man. But this car is gorgeous, man. From the interior to the exterior to the panoramic roof, like everything on this car, y'all, like it looked good, it seemed good. I really don't like that curb rash right there, though. It's on the front wheel. If it was on the back wheel, I might be like, okay, right? But I don't know. And this hood is super light too, man. So yeah, y'all, like I said, comment down below, man. Do y'all think I should get it, bro? I'm sold on it, but I don't know. I'd have to test drive it just to see, like that all-wheel drive. I'd have to see it though, man. But yeah, I like it though, man. Let me know y'all thoughts. Should we get it, or should we just keep the damn Hellcat Red Eye, man, and call it a day? You know, so all right, y'all. So sitting inside the Trackhawk, man, for the first time ever for me in my life, man. So first thing I noticed, bro, like the steering wheel, man, like it feel kind of like the Hellcat Red Eye steering wheel, man. It's nothing too crazy. Still got all the same controls. It look like it got some kind of smart package on it, man. Like it look like it have lane assist, and it'll tell you if you outside the lanes, and everything like that. But like I said, the red interior for me is definitely a must-have, man. I don't think I would get a Trackhawk, y'all, if it didn't have the red interior, you hear me? As y'all can see, man, they have launch control in this thing. There's what, track mode, sport, auto, snow, right? Really important in Colorado. Then there's also tow, right? So if you hit this right here, boom, drive modes, right? It's kind of similar to the Red Eye with the whole custom mode, right? So I'm pretty sure if we start it up, you would see everything right here on the big screen. And then yeah, but I think I like this one better, because instead of having to mess with the screen, all you gotta do is shift this little knob, and then you can go to any kind of mode you want to go to, y'all. So that's a big one for me. Like I said, the panoramic roof, man. I have this in my Jeep Compass, man, my 2018 Jeep Compass. This definitely a must-have too. This headliner feel like suede, to be honest, like a suede headliner, y'all. So that's also good, man. This thing got a lot of space too. Like I don't feel cramped in here. I don't feel cramped in my Red Eye either, y'all, but this thing have a lot of space, dog. Like a lot of space, man. I'm really considering like getting it. I'm not sure how much they would give me for the Red Eye, man. Like I said, I think the Red Eye is more valuable, at least on the market right now, than this. This thing got 50-some thousand miles. That's what's getting to me. I always bought all my cars new or really used or something, but I don't know. I'm just really hesitant, man. As far as getting approved for the car, I know I can get approved for the car. I got approved for the red eye, man, $95,000. So what's $95,000 to $83,000, right? Not sure if they're gonna add taxes and all that, right? But I'm gonna talk them out of that. I know how to talk to dealerships and all that. So, but yeah, I know I can get approved, but I'm not worried about it, man, and all that. So yeah, man, this thing fire. Yeah, baby, this shit fire, bro. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna show y'all the listing that they have for it, right? So I don't know if you can get this on there, baby, right? So 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk 4-wheel drive for $83,475. Like I said, man, it is a fair deal, y'all. I think the red eye is worth more, at least right now in the market, than the Grand Cherokee Trackhawk, right? So I don't know, man. Like I said, the car is beautiful, man. I love the car. Actually, I already own a Jeep Compass, so this right here is just, man, 30 steps above anything, right? So yeah, man, on the rear, but we got what, 305? Where is it? So on the rear we got 305 35 22s, right? So we got 22-inch wheels, man, I believe, all the way around. So I don't know if the fronts are 305s. So let's go up to the front. And yeah, these things are wrapped in Michelin tires, man. Michelin are pretty good. Yeah, so 305 35 22 all the way around, man. So I don't know if that's gonna affect the drivability, man, with 22s on the car or not. But yeah, man, I mean, like I said, this car already comes complete, man. Red guts. It looked like it's already tinted and everything, right? So the car is tinted, red guts, got the wheels on there already. Exhaust sound crazy, right? So yeah, I'm pretty sold on it, man. Like this is a nice car, bro. Really nice car, man. Like, and then if we walk over to the back, they already did the tail lights. It's already tinted. I mean, it's peeling up. So I might, I don't know, if I were to get it, man, I might peel this up and redo this. But yeah, the wrap job seemed good, man. Everything on here seemed pretty good. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Okay, and then we got the Trackhawk mats in the back, man. Yeah, I mean, it looked clean back here though, you know. I don't know if I got a spare. Okay, cool, got the spare tire in the back, everything, man. So yeah, y'all, this definitely look good, bro. Definitely look good. It should have a button up here or something. No, dang, they ain't got a button to close it. Nah, that's okay. I don't know, I thought they did have a button. Don't get on me in the comments, man. You know, now I definitely debadge this, take the Grand Cherokee supercharged stuff off on the side. Yeah, I would definitely take all this right here off. You know, I put a little, either the little Hellhawk thing or whatever on the side, the emblem, or a damn Hellcat thing on the side. But it's not a Hellcat though. It's a Trackhawk, different. Right, so yeah, man. Like I said, comment down below, y'all. Should I get it or should I not get it? I know this right here is just a different level. People gonna say, oh, the Hellcat red eye is faster, oh, but this all-wheel drive. I can drive this any time of the year, y'all, anytime, right? So it's just a choice, man. Definitely gonna be a choice. Oh yeah, them boys also got a little, what, 2016 Hellcat, man. Right, as is, no dealer warranty, but just like on the damn Trackhawk, man, it say warranty included, probably through the dealership. 2016, right, for $64,975. Odometer is only 1,820 miles, y'all. So I wouldn't say this brand new, but for 1,800 miles, for 1,800 miles, 2016, the red seat belts, everything, it's a pretty good deal, man, for only 64. Yeah, it's not bad, man. It's not bad, but it ain't like that. For sure, it ain't like that. So I ain't even looking at the regular Hellcats, man. No offense to the regular Hellcats. We got this A7, my girlfriend, all that in a bag of chips, head in. But yeah, this thing right here, y'all, go crazy. Like I said, y'all, for 83, I mean, if them boys did 83 flat, I would still mess with it, man, if they did 83 flat. I'm trying to talk them down about 80 ball. 80 ball would be my best bet, 80 ball. So yeah, man, yeah. Y'all know we have the red eye, man. This bitch still look good. The red eye still intact, man. Hey, don't ever think, you know, don't ever think we struggling, or don't ever think we, you know what I'm saying. Red eye still intact now. Wish I had the red guts, on the red eye, but it is what it is. So which one y'all think, man? The red eye or the Hawk thing, bro? Or the Hawk thing, man? The Hawk thing or the red eye? Go crazy. Like I said, maximum auto search, man. Them boys trying to take care of me, bro. We gonna see though, y'all.